Oh, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be learning about compound assignments operators. Sometimes we need to adjust the value of a variable. Imagine we're working at a bake sale and want to keep track of how many cupcakes we have, creating a variable called num cupcakes, which we have 12 cupcakes. If we bake 12 more cupcakes, we know that uh, we could update our variable using the plus operator. So if you haven't watched the two operator videos, actually three operator videos, the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulo videos, they are the previous videos. So if you're watching in the playlist, it should be the videos above this one. And while this method works just fine, we need to write our variable num cupcakes twice. We can shorthand this syntax by using compound assignment operator. Now what does this do? The compound assignment operators perform an arithmetic operation on a variable and then reassigns it to the variable. Reassigns its value, sorry. Using the plus equals compound assignment operator, we can rewrite our previous code like so. So just as a recap, what they're basically doing. So instead of writing out num cupcakes equals num cupcakes plus 8 and then storing it back into num cupcakes, what they do is just add 8 and then store it at the same time. So that's you're basically saving um, keystrokes, which can really add up in the long run. Now, we need to reference the num cupcakes only once. You can use this compound assignment operators for all of the arithmetic operators we've covered. So you can do plus equals, minus equals, uh, times equals, which is asterisk equals, and then division equals, which is slash equals, and then modulo equals. So let's work on this coding problem. So you are also in charge of keeping track how many cookies there are at a bake sale. This value is represented by the variable num cookies. A customer comes and buys 3 cookies. Use the appropriate compound assignment operator to reflect this change. Okay. So we have 17 cookies. Let's say Bob comes. He loves cookies and he wants 3. So we can just simply do num cookies minus equals 3, and that'll do it. That literally does it. And now another customer buys half of the remaining cookies. Use the appropriate compound assignment operator to reflect this change. So let's say Bob's friend Bill loves cookies more than Bob, and he wants all of the remaining cookies. So how would you represent that? You can do cookies slash equals, because remember, he wants half of the cookies, so divided by 2. And yes, sir. Then in the next video, I'll be teaching you guys order of operations in coding. So I'll explain more in detail next video, but it does work as same as in real life, with a few exceptions. So stay tuned until the next video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.